Good morning, my dear students of class 4. I hope you all are fine doing at your homes. Today we are going to start our chapter number 5 and its name is Anita and the Honeybees. In this chapter we will going to study the different and interesting facts about honeybees. And you know what? The small baby girl whose name is Anita Kushwaha, she will help us today to know the interesting facts about honeybees. You are able to see the half map, or I can say the small portion of map of the India, in which you can see Bihar is there, right? That brown color portion is Bihar, and the internal figure of the Bihar is shown in the sideways. And Muzaffarpur is the area. It is a small village which have been shown by the red highlighted point. And you know what? Anita Kushwaha lives in the village Muzaffarpur of state Bihar. Right? She is the baby girl Anita Kushwaha. She always wanted to rear the honeybees so that she can get a lot of honey from the honeybees. So let's study. Here are the different honeybees. You all know honeybees are of yellow and black color. The first question arises, what is the nectar made from? What is nectar? You all know nectar is the juicy liquid which are extracted by the honeybees or butterflies from the flowers. You all can see there are lots of honeybees on the sunflowers. What they are going to do? They are going to extract different nectar from the flowers. And you know what? How they indicate their other friend honeybee about the honeybee? They start dancing in a circle around the sunflower, and in this way they indicate their friend honeybee to inform that this flower contains the nectar, and then all the honeybees extract the nectar from the flowers. The question arises, which is the nice time to start the beekeeping? In short, Anita wants to know what should be the correct time. When should I start the beekeeping if I want to do so? So, we have to start the rearing of beekeeping in the month of October to December. It has been advised. Next, what are the things that we need for keeping the honeybees? We will require a wooden block, sugar syrup, and of course first aid box. Right? What happens if the honeybee stings you? In that case, what we will do? We will apply a patch of baking soda on the skin where the honeybee has left the sting in our body. How many eggs does the honeybee lay? Oh my god, the honeybee lays approximately 2000 eggs. It's a very huge amount. You know, in a honey, in a beehive of honeybee, only 3-4 male honeybees are there, and rest of the honeybees are female honeybee, and all the female honeybees are called worker honeybee. And among all those female honeybee, there is a queen honeybee. What is special in honeybee? Students, can you tell me what is special in honeybee? What is a special thing by which honeybees are known for? Can you tell me? Okay, I will tell you. Honeybees are specially known to give honey. You all know we get honey from the honeybees. The worker bees dance to tell the location of the nectar, its quality, etc. I have already told you in the previous picture that one honeybee find out the delicious flower and then inform its friend honeybees by dancing round and round around that delicious flower so that the friend honeybees can also extract the nectar and can form honeybees in their beehives. In this picture also you can see the honeybees are dancing round and round in around their delicious flower. Here is a beehive of the honeybee. You can see all these are the worker honeybee, right? Oh my god, honey is so delicious and so tasty in eating. There are many different uses of honey. You all know honey is also used as a medicine. Honey, we can take honey in liquid form also. If we are taking lemonade, means Nimbu Pani. If we are taking Nimbu Pani, we can also add a spoon of honey in that lemonade. We can also apply a layer of honey on the bread slice and then we can also take it. We can apply some honey on our different kind of snacks. And I have already told you it is obviously used as a medicine, so there are very much uses of honey. Here you can see the beehive of honeybees. You can see there are small hexagonal shaped holes in the beehive, and from this beehive the honeybee lay the honey, and up by with the help of professionals we get the honey from its beehive. You know, along with the honeybee, what are the other animals or creatures who live in a group? Ant, termites, wasp. All these three living creatures live in a group. In this picture, you can see how disciplined the ants are. So, from the ants, we can learn how to be disciplined in our life. You can see their patterns in a disciplined way. Their patterns are also made in a disciplined way. So, from today, we will be in a disciplined manner, right, students? Next, some interesting facts. The honeybees are wonderful social creature. You all know they are the wonderful creature. Why they are wonderful and why they are social? Can you tell me? Because they provide us honey, and you all know honey is a source of food. We take honey as our food also. There are queen bees. I have told you there are some queen bees in a beehive. Queen bee lays 800 to 1200 eggs every day and lives up to 2 to 3 years. The age limit of queen bee is 2 to 3 years, and the queen bee lays 800 to 1200 eggs every day. Oh my god, I can't even imagine. Now comes to the worker bee. The worker bee does all the kind of work and live about 5 to 6 weeks. 5 to 6 weeks means about 1 month. Now The male bees have no specified role as a worker. I have already told you there are about only 3 to 4 male bees in a beehive. So there is no specified work for them. So their amount is also less. Different kind of honeybees. You can see different kind of honeybees in this picture. They are very wonderful creature. They are so colorful, and what they are doing, they are laying the eggs basically. This is also a kind of honeybee, and you can see there is a big beehive of the honeybees. They are also a kind of bees. Oh my god, it is more bigger than the last one. Apiculture. So let's start apiculture. You can see in the picture a person is holding the beehive in his hand. Oh my god, isn't he getting fear from the beehive? No, because he is a professional person. He know how to extract the honey from the honeybee. Apiculture means keeping the honeybees so that we will get the honeybee further. Anita Kushwaha has also kept many of the wooden blocks so that she can also do the apiculture work. Let's summarize the chapter. Anita Kushwaha is the first female beekeeper. You all know she was the first female beekeeper, means she was the first girl who started apiculture in the rural Indian village of Buchaha. It is the small village of Bihar. Honeybees live in beehives. The place where the honeybee lives is called beehives. The rearing honeybees for the honey is known as apiculture. Apiculture means keeping the honeybees so that we can get ample amount of honey from the honeybee. So it's all about the chapter number 5. I have completed it from my side. You all students are requested to study it again so that it will be clear to you. Thank you, students.